So this is my favorite example. I would say this. You'd get a phone call. Your cell phone would be flat like this with a screen on the kitchen table, and the phone would ring.
Yeah.
And earlier that day, you had a thought and you would tell your spouse or your family or whatever, Aunt Susie from California, I haven't heard from her in years. I wonder how she's doing. And the phone would ring and you go, I bet you that's Aunt Susie from California.
Yeah.
And you pick up the phone and it says Aunt Susie. And that's happened to so many people over and over. And then we call it deja vu, or we give it these, like almost worldly names because we're scared to call it the prophetic.
Right. That's right.
But we don't ever learn how it works, so it sort of passes us by.
Right.
It never comes because we don't exercise it, that prophetic moment just passes us by. We never learn how to engage it.
Yeah. It's a small window of time that you